Masasabi mo tungkol sa kung gaano kamahal yung gas ngayon?
Mahal siya.
I think I might get cancelled for my opinions.
Cancelled for your opinions?
Oh yeah, for sure, man. Diba, sabi ni Dave Chappelle, if you want to know who's in charge, think about who you're not allowed to criticize.
Or Rothschilds?
Nasa crazy conspiracy territory ba yun eh. Yung sa war sa Iran, it's more like...
We're not allowed to criticize the...
Yes.
Ano yung sabihin para sa inyo yung kamote?
Kamote ka pala eh. Ano score mo? Kamote.
Ano yung difference ng kamote sa super kamote?
Super kamote, positive yun.
Oo.
Kamote lang, negative yun.
Basically, dinamatay namin yung mga kamote.
Pakinggan natin dito. Bilangan hila on a daily basis.
Okay naman, steady lang, all the time.
Birthday to you! Yeah, birthday boy! Meeting with the director for an upcoming music video. Ano yung reflection nyo? Kamusta? Kamusta?
Feasible. Let's do it. Pero pwede daw natin take home yun kung hindi na tayo mag-overnight.